Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. What I will be presenting this afternoon will be the I will be showing the total assembled electronic DIY kits that I have assembled for my channel. And as an additional thing, the newest one that I added, this one here, is actually this one here. This is an AM/FM receiver. The voltage requirement of this one is 5 volts. It's this. If I try to operate this one, I will just plug in this one to this battery and this will work. This one was a little bit, it's not complicated, but it looks very fine. This is a TDA amplifier. It's a stereo. Okay. And the receiver for this one is actually this one here. Okay. The signal will go out here, it goes in here, and it will be amplified here. And this is the speaker for this amplifier, the right speaker, which is this, and the lip speaker terminal, which is connected at the back. The second speaker is this one. First speaker rather, second speaker, that's for the amplifier. The power source of this amplifier, or the audio source of this amplifier, is actually this tiny AM/FM receiver. Okay, let's try it.
During cold and flu season, germs spread fast. It's why he partners with Granger to stay fully stocked on the
It looks
products and
good, right?
supplies he needs. From tissues to disinfectants to
I will
force
try
covers.
to listen the volume. The power source of this amplifier is actually this one here. It goes up there. Okay. And the terminal with the yellow thing. Okay. And I added an extension wire. And it's plugged in over there. Okay. That's easy. So this is easy. This is an adapter in which the voltage of this one is DC. And I monitor the input voltage of this amplifier here. It's around 19.2. That's the voltage coming into this amplifier, coming from that adapter. It's DC voltage, 19.2. Okay, I will try to increase the volume.
From the DTLA Law Group Injury Help Studios,
This is Southern California's news.
KNX News, 97.
It sounds good.
4:30 on Wednesday afternoon. I'm Alex Silverman, and our top story today
Sounds
is the
good.
shooting outside the ICE field office in Dallas. One detainee
Okay.
is dead, 2 others are critical.
People had started showing up for appointments when they say they heard gunshots.
This is a TDE amplifier, stereo. So the output of this one is 2 speakers. Terminal of the first speaker or second speaker, terminal of the first speaker. So what's coming out here is actually stereo, because the signal coming from the tiny AM/FM receiver is actually what they call this stereo. Okay, I will try to increase the volume again.
29-year-old Joshua John. We got more on a possible motivation from
Okay.
Austin York of our Odyssey station in Dallas.
One thing more, the power supply of this AM/FM receiver is just a 3-volt battery, okay, installed at the back. And this is the connection here. Okay? So the voltage of this one is independent from this one here. This is energized by a 3-volt battery. Anyway, it's a tiny AM/FM receiver. It doesn't need too much power to operate. And this one here, the power source is actually that adapter there. And the voltage is 19.2. Okay, I will try to increase the volume again.
Today, why this facility, we just don't know.
Yeah, again, no ICE agents were hurt. Only one detainee was killed, 2 others in critical condition. We heard from Ted Cruz
That's it.
at a news conference about this.
To every politician
Okay,
who is using rhetoric, demonizing ICE.
I will try to decrease the volume so I can speak. That's it, guys. That's the additional thing on my display for the electronic gadget that I have assembled. This one here, like I said, this is an AM/FM receiver energized by this 5-volt battery here. It's a power bank. That's the second one. The one that I did yesterday is this one here. Okay. We got how many receivers here? 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 5 over here. This is the first receiver. Okay. This is very strong because this is the tuner, this is the preamp, and this is the main amplifier. And the output of the main amplifier is actually these 2 speakers here. For the meantime, they are not energized. Okay. The next one here is a portable AM radio. Okay. I assembled the power supply of this one. That's the power supply. So just in case I will operate this one, I will just plug in that one over there and this will work. Okay. The next portable AM/FM is actually this one here. I made also the power supply of this one to be a 3-volt regulated power supply. It's at the back. And this is the adapter for that 3-volt voltage regulator. So if I plug in this one, this will operate. Next one. This is an AM/FM receiver which I assembled also. This is working. It got an internal battery which is chargeable. Okay. And this one here, it's a portable thing. It just got a 3-volt battery, but this is also an AM/FM receiver. Okay, that's the second phase of the display. The first phase was actually the original thing, right? Okay, we got so many receivers here. That's a tiny AM/FM receiver. This is an AM receiver. This is an AM receiver. I assembled also. This is an AM receiver. This is an AM/FM receiver. And this is an AM/FM receiver. And this is an AM/FM receiver. The power source of this one here, this one, and this one is actually these 2 terminals here. So whichever receiver that I would like to operate, I'll just connect the plus and minus, then I will plug in the corresponding adapter here. Okay. For this one here, this is a special case because the voltage requirement of this one is different from this one. I think this is 6 volts. And the exclusive terminal of this one is actually this. So just in case I will operate this one, okay, this is now connected to the plus in the minus, and I will plug in the corresponding adapter here. The last one that I will be discussing is this one here. It's an AM/FM receiver, but it's powered by a 3-volt battery. Okay, so this is the 3-volt battery. So just in case I will try to operate this one, I will just connect the plus terminal to the plus terminal is connected already. I will just connect the negative terminal, and this will now try to operate using this 3-volt battery. So that's it, guys. So these are my electronic gadgets that all I assembled. That's the first display. That's the second display. And that's the third display, the one that I just finished today. And before we go this afternoon, I would like to increase the volume of this one.
And our 57 drive here is
pretty heavy in Orange County. Northbound slow through
Okay.
Anaheim up to the 91 with
It sounds good.
around Imperial Highway.
Okay.
Through the 60.
That's it, guys. Those are my displays of my assembled electronic gadget. Good afternoon from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. De Los Angeles.